This is one of those things that's crazy easy to paint and it turns out so good. Watercolor paints. I mixed up a couple different colors. There are 5. That's more than a couple. Okay, I'm gonna make this one a mystery. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. Are you thinking it's a hat? Some sort of hat for an animal? It's not, but it would be very cute if it was. Once they're dry, you can use the same colors to magically give them dimension. This is gonna give it away. This is it. Do you see it now? They're mushroom caps. It's the tops of mushrooms. And yes, it is really this easy to make them look dimensional just by putting the same color on top. Time for stems. You can make mushrooms look any kind of way. They're whimsical, so think weird and wonky. Okay, for this one, I want to give it like the skirt thing. I should really learn the names of these things before I do these tutorials, because I did this tutorial on Patreon, so there's a full tutorial on Patreon, guys, and I didn't know the names of the stuff then either. Now we're gonna outline the whole thing in pen. I think with these, you could skip the pen detail, but I don't know, it just adds something for me. Plus, there's something just satisfying about outlining stuff. All cute mushrooms have like little white dots, right? Yes, for sure. So easy, and who doesn't like mushrooms? I mean, I don't like to eat them. I like to paint them.